for your mind and location dey your mind. This party no concern you. When we do quick, make you enter location. Opening welcome address, not vote of thanks. But thank you for doing that. It means you honor people, they will honor you. And that was what he was doing. He was honoring you in return. He was celebrating you in return. There are some people we didn't recognize earlier. One of the foremost producers of television drama that brought a lot of candlelight into our homes, ladies and gentlemen. Please help me celebrate Mr. Trudy Bamishiki. God bless you, man. God bless you, God. Because a human being was on Episcopal chicken and those give me English. So what I'm trying, let me explain to me. Ladies and gentlemen, Chief Conrad is in the building. Okay. So you need to you can't say it in English. Please your hands together for me. God bless you. This generation, the top boys, the boys of Kaskata, when they are doing the Badu, the Ikoyi film, they will be the Badu boys. This guy, he will be one of the Badu boys. Please, your honey, help me celebrate one of Nigeria's finest artists. She's a wonderful actor. She knows how to interpret her role. I mean, she's so, I don't know what. Please, your hands together for him. Please, please celebrate Mr. Samson. Please celebrate Mr. Samson. Put your hands together. Now, if you have some of these supporters of Mr. Saheed, they can just slip in at us in the course of the program. I'm done. This is the last person I'm doing. You still have one person. I'm not doing this for a while, please, so that we don't bore the audience, we don't bore everybody.
YouTube channel, Boa TV. You guys might think I'm not serious. Let me show you guys I'm really serious. Please subscribe to our channel, Boa TV. Don't forget to visit our website, boa.com, for our latest videos and shows. Thank you.
And this is how you can subscribe to our channel. Below the video, you will see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. Beside the subscribe button, click on the bell also. This will notify you once we drop a new video.